The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hi children, how are you all? Are you all happy? You should make yourself happy. Always keep your head up, because if it is down, you won't be able to see the blessing that have been placed in your life. What seems to us a bitter trial are often blessing in disguise. So be happy always and make others happy. Okay. Yes children, back to our class. In the previous classes, we learned about the physical divisions of Kerala, features of highland, midland and lowland. We also learned about the cultivations in these regions and so on. I hope you all remember these points. Now, let us move to the remaining parts of this chapter. Due to the decline in the cultivation of paddy, tapioca and other crops and the increase in rubber cultivation, paddy fields and ponds were used for other purpose. Hills were destroyed. Unscientific agricultural practices along hill slopes developed. Cultivable land reduced. As a result of this, new employment chances developed. Agriculture was neglected as it needs physical strain. Other sectors like business and trade started to develop. All these led to the changes on healthcare and lifestyle of the people. These changes in lifestyle paved the way for new generation diseases like hypertension or high BP, heart diseases and diabetes. These diseases are collectively known as lifestyle diseases. Children, just see what all changes happen within a short span of time. Children, just see what all changes happen within a short span of time. Quite unbelievable. വിശ്വസിക്കാൻ നമുക്ക് പ്രയാസമാണ് അല്ലേ? എന്തൊരു മാറ്റമാണ് നമ്മുടെ പ്രകൃതിയിൽ ഉണ്ടായിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്, നമ്മുടെ ജീവിത രീതികളിൽ ഉണ്ടായിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. തീർച്ചയായും നമ്മൾ അതിനെക്കുറിച്ച് ബോധവാന്മാരാവണം. ഓക്കെ. When people shifted from agriculture to other fields of work, we learned that their lifestyle also changed. Waste disposal became a major problem. Children, do you know why? Children, do you know why? Because no proper dumping area for the disposal of things like plastic items, waste of plants and animals and so on. People throw all the waste on roads and other areas. Now, we have prepared and executed plans to transform the biodegradable waste generated at home into organic manure. This can be used in our vegetable garden and farms. Children, don't you know about biodegradable waste and about organic matter? Yes. The biodegradable waste can also be used for making vermicompost. Children, have you seen a vermicompost? Look this picture. We can also make a biogas from biodegradable waste. See what all measures to decompose waste. Can you make a compost in your house? Just try. So, children, looking at these articles in the newspaper, what do you feel? Feeling like cultivating through vertical net farming, making vermicompost. Yes, try to do such actions and sustain soil. It would be beneficial if we could retain the moisture of soil and coolness of nature. Now, let us see some of your classmates in front of their vegetable garden. Congrats, dear. Keep it up. Realizing all these facts, the government has taken measures to get back Kerala's agricultural heritage through vegetable and fruit promotion council. One such endeavor is Vegetable and Fruit Promotion Council of Kerala. Here, different varieties of vegetables, fruits are cultivated and distributed to common people. Seeds and saplings are also distributed. Agricultural Department and Kudumbashree Mission and several other agencies support the VFPCK. Now, let us see some modern agricultural techniques. So, we learned the importance of cultivation, changes that occurred in cultivation, about waste disposal, the consequence of it, how to overcome the situation, and so on. Isn't it? So, children, you should give importance to all the living beings on earth and preserve and protect our Mother Earth. Children, to remember the prosperity of the olden days, we celebrate Chingam First as Farmers' Day, since they are backbone of the country. So, Kerala has all the favorable situation for farming. It is we people who have to change our lifestyle, cultivate vegetables at home, and school produce the non-poisonous crops. So, if we all work together, we can achieve this for a better tomorrow. Isn't it? That's all for today. See you in the next class. Thank you.